Hey Sam. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Alex. Excited to learn something new.
Great to hear. Today, we're focusing on the word
bald,
bald,
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
It means soon, shortly, or in a little while. The most common usage is to express that something will happen shortly. Just be careful, it can be confused with the English word bald, which means lacking hair.
Oh, I see the potential for confusion there.
Now, let's talk about the grammar.
bald,
Is an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form. You can use it in sentences like,
ich komme bald,
which means I will come soon.
So, what about the past tense?
Well, since it's an adverb, it doesn't have a past tense. Instead, you might say something like,
ich bin bald gekommen,
which means I came soon.
Got it. That makes sense.
The word
bald,
comes from Middle High German,
bald,
which meant quick or ready. It has maintained a similar meaning through the centuries.
That's really interesting. So it has a long history.
Yes, and during the Old High German period, it was used to express readiness or immediacy. It's fascinating how language evolves. Now, let's break down.
bald,
It's a simple word with no prefixes or suffixes to dissect. It's like a single Lego block, but you can associate it with urgency, like being ready to go.
That's a memorable way to think about it.
There are some similar words we can explore. For example,
bald,
doesn't have many direct derivatives because it's quite unique, but let's look at some related concepts. The prefix appears in words like
beantworten,
meaning to answer, and
Beispiel,
meaning example.
What about other adverbs?
You can think of words like
früh,
which means early,
spät,
meaning late, and
jetzt,
meaning now. They all have to do with time.
Oh, I see how they relate.
Now, let's practice using
bald,
in real-life situations. Imagine you're at a cafe and want to tell someone you'll be back soon. You could say,
ich bin bald zurück,
ich bin bald zurück.
I like that.
great. Now, how about if you're talking to a friend who is waiting for a package? You could say,
das Paket kommt bald,
Das Paket kommt bald.
Wir fahren bald nach Deutschland.
Wir fahren bald nach Deutschland.
I think I've got the hang of it.
For gender memory hints, since
Bald.
is an adverb, it doesn't have a gender. But if you think about its urgency, you might imagine a clock ticking down, emphasizing the idea of something happening soon.
That's a fun image.
Regarding usage notes,
Bald.
is informal and often used in everyday conversations. Some common collocations include phrases like
Bald kommen.
meaning to come soon,
Bald sehen.
meaning to see soon, or
Bald haben.
meaning to have soon.
Those are useful.
And remember, don't confuse
Bald.
with words like
Bald.
in English, which can lead to misunderstandings. Now, let's look at some example sentences. For instance, you might hear,
Ich hoffe, dass du bald kommst.
meaning I hope you come soon.
That's a practical one.
Another could be,
Wir müssen bald gehen.
which means we need to leave soon.
Got it.
And you might say,
Das Wetter wird bald besser.
meaning the weather will get better soon.
I can see myself using this.
Alright, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Bald.
mean?
It means soon.
Correct. And can you give me an example sentence?
Ich komme bald.
Excellent. What's the origin of the word?
It comes from Middle High German.
Yes. Can you think of a situation where you might use it?
At a cafe, I could say,
Ich bin bald zurück.
Perfect. What's a common mistake people make with this word?
mixing it up with the English bald.
Exactly. You did great, Sam. To wrap up, today we learned about the word
bald.
It means soon and comes from a rich historical background. Remember, it's an adverb, and you can use it in many everyday situations.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll be using
Bald.
like a pro in no time.